Managing local users. In this video, I'll be doing a brief overview and demonstration on managing local users. Local user accounts on a Windows computer are not nearly as complex as domain users, but the local users and group snap-in provides full access to all of the attributes they do possess. To modify a user's attributes, use the following procedure. In this demonstration, I'll be managing a user. So we're going to log on to the Windows operating system using an account with administrator privileges. Step 1, open the computer management console. There's a few ways we can open up the computer management console. We can go right click here and just go right to computer management. Step 2, in the console scope, expand the local users and groups subheading and then click users. A list of current local users appears in the details box. Step 3, double-click one of the existing user accounts. The property sheet for the user account appears. Step 4, if desired, modify the contents of the full name and description text box. Step 5, select or clear any of the following checkboxes. User must change password at next logon. Forces the new user to change the password after logging on for the first time. Select this option if you want to assign an initial password and have users control their own passwords after the first logon. You cannot select this option if you have selected the password never expires checkbox. Selecting this option automatically clears the user cannot change password checkbox. User cannot change password. Prevents the user from changing the account password. Select this option if you want to retain control over the account password, such as when multiple users are logging on with the same user account. This option is also commonly used to manage service account passwords. You cannot select this option if you have selected the user must change password at next logon checkbox. Password never expires. Prevents the existing password from ever expiring. This option automatically clears the user must change password at next logon checkbox. This option is also commonly used to manage service account passwords. Account is disabled. Disables the user account, preventing anyone from using it to log on. Account is locked out. When selected, indicates that the account has been disabled because the number of unsuccessful logon attempts specified in the local system policies has been exceeded. Clear the checkbox to unlock the account. Step 6, click the Member Of tab. Step 7, to add the user to a group, click the Add button. The Select Groups dialog box appears. Step 8, type the name of the local group to which you want to add the user in the text box, and then select OK. The group is added to the Member Of list. You can also type part of the group name and click Check Names to complete the name or click Advanced to search for groups. Step 9, click the Profile tab. Step 10, type a path or file name into any of the following 4 text boxes as needed. Profile path, to assign a Roman or mandatory user profile to the account. Type the path to the profile stored on a network share using Universal Naming Convention, UNC notation, as in the example, //server /share/folder. Logon script. Type the name of a script that you want to execute whenever the user logs on. Local path. To create a home folder for the user on a local drive, specify the path in this box. Specify the path in this text box. Connect. To create a home folder for the user on a network drive, select an unused drive letter and type the path to a folder on a network share using Universal Naming Convention notation. Step 11, click OK to save your changes and close the property sheet. Step 12, close the computer management console. That completes this brief overview and demonstration on managing local users.